welcome back to another very cold day out there with high temperatures across the region, only reaching 27 in North Platte, 25 Broken Bow and Imperial. A little warmer out toward Lexington at 28, but out toward Valentine with all the snow up there only making it to 19 degrees. Should be near 40 for a high this time of year. Current temperatures look like this: near 20, Broken Bow, Lexington, North Platte, Ogallala, and Imperial, but only into the mid to upper teens as you make your way into the Sandhills up toward Valentine. The wind still northwesterly. Right now, winds still sustained around 20 to 30 miles per hour, and we are seeing wind gusts on this map once again between 30 and 50 miles per hour. So the strong winds not really going anywhere as we made our way through the day today and should last for one more day. So here's a look at the wind chill values: 2 below zero out toward Thedford, Valentine. Wind chills between, say, 0 and 10 degrees most everywhere else, especially from I-80 points off to the south, remaining extremely cold for this time of year. So be aware of that if you're spending any time outside. We still have weather alerts because of the snowstorm that ended about a day and a half ago. So we do have the blizzard warning still in effect from Valentine out toward Mullen, Hyannis. That goes until noon Central Time on Friday. Also, until noon Central Time on Friday, we do have winter weather advisories out toward the Tryon area, out toward Blaine County, and Arthur, Ogallala down toward Grant. So still some slippery roads, some low visibilities at time with that blowing snow. So watch out if you're traveling. Mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, especially from our central and southern portion of our viewing area. Partly to mostly cloudy skies up north. Still can't rule out a passing snow shower into the Sandhills and on the highway up toward Valentine. But the bulk of the moisture has moved into the northern plains and eventually will make its way into the northeast with a moderate snowstorm up in that direction. Low pressure is continuing to move off to the east. We still have that strong northwesterly wind and a trail of high pressure systems, but they're off to our south. Now that keeps the cool air over us. So here's a look at the skycast. We'll keep some clouds as we make our way through the overnight period. Watch out for some snow showers up north as we go through the overnight, starting off tomorrow into the upper teens. And as you make your way through the day tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies, still windy, highs near 30 degrees. Then the clouds will clear out. Actually, could see a few peaks of sunshine before it does set, but it's going to be a cold overnight period. Into Saturday morning, lows will be into the lower teens. And then Saturday, we actually could reach the mid, maybe some upper 30s across the region. Sunshine and the winds finally die down or flip around to a drier, milder westerly direction. So high pressure is working its way and pushing the windy, cool air out. Now, we're going to have another high right behind that, so more sunshine over the weekend, but it's still to our south, so cooler air is going to be pumped in from the north. Let's take a look at the jet stream over the next 10 days. So you can see over the weekend, temperatures rising into the mid, maybe some upper 30s with sunshine. The warm air is on our doorstep, but unfortunately, to start next week, it is going to retreat back over the west coast and off to our south as much colder air works its way in. Our first polar vortex of the season, high temperatures as we go through midweek next week, might not be above 10 degrees. That, as we finish out next week and go through Christmas weekend, will move off into the northeast. And once again, around December 25th or 26th, we could have that warm air on our doorstep once again. So we're just waiting to see when we will warm up to above average levels. It could be at the end of next week. So here's a look at the extended forecast. Up to 29 tomorrow, windy, mostly cloudy, and 34 on Saturday with sunshine. Near 30 on Sunday, but only near 20 and Tuesday, partly cloudy skies. A slight chance of snow showers Wednesday, otherwise mainly cloudy and a high near 20. And there's your high, only near 12 degrees on Thursday with partly cloudy skies. Kent?
Yeah, that's going to certainly be cold, and we continue to keep our eye still a little ways away, but on a white Christmas.
Yeah, it probably will be a white Christmas. The snow's really not going to melt that much.
All right. Thanks so much. We appreciate that, Justin. And powerful, often violent weather is ravaging the country this week.